How do I get a great web design education for free? There are several reasons why I wanted to do this video. Um, First of all, this is the way that I learned a lot of the things that I know, and I get a lot of questions from people, adults that want to change careers, and younger people in school who want to be a web designer or be a developer. So I just wanted to make a video and tell you something about what you need to know to be a great web designer, and give you some resources, some mostly free resources on how to get started in this line of work. So the question is, what do you need to learn? What do you need to know to be a great web designer? I have listed the things that I think web design consists of, and the first thing is the graphic design. The graphic designer usually does the front end graphics and works in Photoshop and so on. The developer and the development and coding part is the application layer of a website, and coding is usually done in PHP or .NET or JavaScript and so on. If you want to work with smartphones, you'll probably want to learn to code for Android or iPhone. The business development part is very important because it's important to know how the website is going to add revenue to the business. Marketing and online social marketing is also very important in the way that you want the website to effectively convert people from visitors to customers, and knowing marketing and social marketing strategies will help you do this. The last thing is experience economy, and whether you know it or not, we all live in the experience economy at this point. So it is really important to know something about this, and it is important to know how to use the 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 theory of experience economy to develop your website, your and your overall marketing strategies. So I want to quickly give you some great resources for learning all these good things, and one of the resources that isn't free but is great value for your money is lynda.com. And lynda.com teaches a lot of different things, both graphic design development, business development, branding, online social marketing, and so on. So this is a great resource for all these things, and they have a lot of tutorials, so you will learn all these things sort of hands-on. And yeah, I have used it a lot, and still does. They put out some great extensive material, and there are always new things to learn here. Another great resource is the YouTube channel called This Week In, and This Week In actually consists of a lot of different types of programming. So if you're an entrepreneur, yeah, there's a lot of interesting material here, and especially if you are a web designer, there's a lot to learn. These guys that teach on this channel are some of the best in the world in my mind, and I have learned a great deal here, a great deal about the business end, the developing information architecture, project management, and the overall graphic design. There's a lot of hours to watch here, and it's all for free. So This weekend on YouTube is a great channel to watch. PHP Academy is another YouTube channel, and this guy Alex from Britain is a great teacher and teaches a lot about PHP and jQuery and database management and structuring, and I have learned a great deal from this guy, and it is a lot of small videos broken up into different topics, so it's really easy to learn how to program PHP and get started with this coding language. The New Boston is a YouTube channel by a guy called Bucky Roberts, and at first glance it might not seem like this is a channel for web designers, because he does a lot of different things, and he teaches geometry and biology and a lot of different courses, but he also teaches a lot of developing like HTML5, CSS, PHP, Java, JavaScript, and Ruby on Rails. I think he also does, and a lot of Android coding and developing. So this is another great channel and a diverse channel with a lot of different things. So it's a great place to start. Mike Locke is a web designer, and he also has his own web design training program which you can enroll in. It's not free, but I'm pretty sure you will learn a lot of great things. He has this YouTube channel where he talks about web design and talks a lot about the gives a lot of tips on how to be a freelance web designer and what you need to know, and he has a lot of experience, I think 15 years of experience or something like that, and he's a great teacher, and I've learned a lot from him too, so definitely worth checking out ML Webco at YouTube. So if you really want to learn experience economy, the best way is to read the book called The Experience Economy by Pine and Gilmore, and this book was for me have been a great resource for the theoretics behind the experience economy. So I can't urge you enough to go pick up this book, or go buy it on Amazon. It's a great read. It's easy to understand, and it gives you a lot of tools to use when both when doing business development in general, but also when doing websites and web design in general. So this is really a great book, and there are a lot of other resources about this subject, but you might need to look for it on Amazon.com or in different blogs around the net. And the last thing that I just want to show you is, of course, my own YouTube channel, where I talk about all these topics, and I also talk about experience economy. Experience economy can be hard to find videos about. So if you already haven't, check out my channel for a lot of videos on all these topics. I hope this have inspired you to get started in becoming a great web designer, or if you're already learning, you'll have some more interesting ways to learn some of this stuff. I've put links to all these resources in the description below. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to ask them in the comment section below or send me an email. And remember to connect with me on Twitter or Facebook. Yeah. So don't be a stranger. See you later. Bye.